What's up, guys? In this video I'm using a classic Army M24 LTR completely stock. I'm playing a backyard game at my friend's house. I installed a Scopecam. My camera also is broken, being shipped to somewhere to fix it. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a like and a sub. Stop. Our goal in this game is to completely stop them from moving and basically just kill them. I take the right hand flank and try to alert my teammates to let them know to stop because I see the enemies coming.
Guys, get down. Oh yeah, perfect. Do not shoot them because they will not see us. They've never played Airsoft before. They're not going to know how to do this.
I use my judgment and realize that they've never actually played a real game of Airsoft before, so I have the major upper hand. We sit and wait for them to come because we know they will not sit for a long time and just get very impatient and start rushing us, so we wait. We see them going on the left-hand flank, so we decide to meet them there. We rush and know that there's a bunch of bushes and they will not shoot through. Then we sit and get ready to shoot. Me and Jordan both hit the targets and they did not call their hits.
Circle around them. Leave Kenneth.
We take the right-hand flank because we see them at the base and we see them go inside. We know it's going to be hard, so we just sit outside and wait for them. As you can see, you have to have a lot of patience to play the sport. I keep telling Kenneth to get down because I see the enemies coming out, but he stands up, but finally I get him to sit down. Then I'm ready for contact.
Hey.
Breach. Come on, Jordan. Come on, Jordan.
There's glass. I'm not shooting the glass.
It is hard to see, but my mag was not feeding properly. I would shoot and nothing was coming out. But finally, I got it to work and I rushed in and I shot him 3 times.
Get low.
He's it. I got him.
The game is now over. We found their base, took it over, and won. This is the next day. Now I'm using my classic Army M24 LTR with the Scopecam. Although some of them didn't work, you can only see 2 clear kills with the Scopecam. There will be a lot more videos with it, so leave a like if you enjoy.
Call your hits.
Let him get out.
Archer's down. I got a headshot. Move up. Archer's the only one left.
After they revived Brennan, they moved over to the left, so I walked and followed them. When I got there, I missed 2 shots, which are not in the clip because the Scopecam was mounted at a different angle. They got up and started running, but did not know my position. In the video, you can clearly hear the sound of a windbreaker being shot. Like I said, the Scopecam angle was off because this is my first time using this mount, but you can hear the sound of him being shot. But guys, that is basically the video. I hope you enjoyed. This is actually my first Scopecam or actually full gameplay video. So leave a like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.